everyone, I'm Donna Louise, and for the love of puzzles, I'm going to try my first glow-in-the-dark build. I would consider this puzzle to be another novelty puzzle, just like the Go Bananas. It actually is distributed by the same company, Gift Republic Limited. It's called the Constellation puzzle, and it glows in the dark. Now, I'm not sure what to expect, but this is what I'm hoping to do. I want to take all the pieces, lay them out all flat, and get them under light or under sun so that they can suck up as much power as possible so that they will glow nice and bright. I would love to be able to assemble the puzzle in the dark, so if I can make out the pieces enough to put them together, and if possible, get it on camera. I'm not too sure if that's all going to work, but we'll see how we go. That's my initial plan. If that doesn't work, I'll have to resort to something else. But it's only 300 pieces. Hopefully it's not too difficult to do. I will admit the image on the box, because they made it like a glow-in-the-dark kind of green color, it's actually a little difficult to make out, but it's only 300 pieces. Let's see if the pieces inside have that coloring on them, or maybe if it's more white. I have no idea. So for the love of puzzles, let's get to building. So my initial plan did not work. I spent a bit of time to organize all my pieces on this lovely piece of felt on this board, and there were only a few pieces that didn't have any glow-in-the-dark on them. And then I spent the day moving this board around the house where there was sunlight to try to get them consuming as much sunlight as possible so that they would glow as best as possible. Issue is, some pieces have very little glow-in-the-dark parts on them. So in the dark, it wasn't noticeable on a piece on its own. The pieces that had more glow-in-the-dark appeared, but it takes some time for your eyes to adjust. So trying to assemble the puzzle in the dark as it's trying to glow just wasn't happening. And I couldn't get it on camera properly either. So plan B, I'm going to assemble the puzzle here in the light. I have 3 lights shining above and to the sides, hoping that it'll consume the light and, you know, get the glow in the dark really strong. Then I hope to move to the dark room and see if I can film and actually get the effect of the glow in the dark on camera, either through an image or video. I really hope that it appears once it's all assembled nicely and it does glow in the dark. I'll let you know, and I think it'll be a fun, easier puzzle to do. What I did notice, these are standard size puzzle pieces, not small ones like the Go Bananas. A pretty good thickness, reminds me of the Banksy puzzle actually. The same type of back and no puzzle dust whatsoever. So I am worried that they might stick a bit, hopefully not. But yeah, so for the love of puzzles, since we couldn't do plan A, let's move on to plan B. The puzzle was enjoyable enough to do. The pieces reminded me very much so of the Banksy and Go Bananas puzzle. They did kind of stick if you tried a piece in the wrong spot. Luckily, I didn't have too many pieces to deal with or that could potentially go in the wrong place, so that wasn't an overall issue. Now, the glow in the dark in that photo that I post at the end of the video looks very nice and clear and bright, and you can make out all the writing. That was a long exposure shot. I exposed it for 60 seconds. When you're just looking at it with your own eyes, it's not so bright or clear. You can make out the image, definitely can't read the writing. And so that photo maybe makes it look so much better than what it is, but no, it definitely doesn't glow in the dark that well. I mean, have you done other glow-in-the-dark puzzles, and do some glow more than others? Leave your comments below and let me know if there's any I should try. I did not do a flip test on camera, but like I said, the puzzles kind of already stick with one another, so I'm willing to bet there's, no issues with that. So it stays together, no problem. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. For the love of puzzles, I hope you enjoy my videos. Please consider subscribing, and until next time, ciao!